With the Testo 110 Food and the Testo Smart app, temperature measurements can be carried out easily, quickly and precisely. Place the Testo 110 Food in the protective cover supplied, to reliably protect it from dust and water jets in accordance with Protection Class IP65, and thus ensure compliance with the strict HACCP requirements. Close the cover. Thanks to the extensive selection of externally connectable probes, the right probe can be used for every measuring task. Here, the stainless steel food probe is being used for precise core temperature measurement. The backlighting of the display enables precise measurement and reading of the values, even under difficult conditions. This can be switched off or on as required. Before the actual measurement begins, measurement points for critical control points can be created in the Testo Smart app, and provided with alarm values and comments. Alarm limits can be defined for each measuring point, which enable automatic interpretation of the measured values by means of colored markings. Any number of additional control points can be created in the Testo Smart app, and measured with this or other measuring instruments from the Food BT line. Here, the control point serving meat core temperature is being created and configured in the app. Connecting the measuring instrument to the Testo Smart app is extremely easy. As soon as the Bluetooth function is enabled, the app recognizes the measuring instrument automatically, and saves the instrument connection for future use, enabling an even faster connection. The desired measurement is now started by selecting the previously defined control points. After each measurement carried out at the selected control point, you can add an individual comment to this measurement and complete it with a signature. Another useful function of the Testo Smart app is the ability to create individual reports. Simply select the desired measurement points and the date. By clicking on Generate PDF Report, the app creates a tabular PDF file with all the measured values recorded during this period. You can easily export your report or the individual raw data. Also use the other measuring instruments from Testo's Food BT line, to record, store and digitally document all HACCP-relevant measurement data, centrally and reliably. The Food BT line makes HACCP documentation in the food sector easier than ever.